Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 193 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we put them here for you, so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. On today's episode, we're talking about, is there a corkage fee on the Cruise the Vineyard package? Can you bring pre-popped popcorn on the ship? Can we get 2 dining rooms? One for those who dress up and one for those who don't? What happened to all the childcare staff during the SEA or C cruises? And I'm going on a back-to-back. Do I need to print both sets of documents?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question 1. This cruiser wanted to know if they got the wine package known as Cruise the Vineyard, do they charge a corkage fee on each bottle like they do if you brought your own bottle and brought it to one of the restaurants? John said, no, there is no corkage fee for wine purchased through this program. So there's a ton of different drink packages. This is one of them. It's called Cruise the Vineyard. So if you like wine, you can purchase between 3 and 5 bottles. It's currently $81 for 3 bottles and $126 for 5 bottles of wine. All you need to do is go to the cherry on top and get your coupons for them, and you can redeem them at all the main bars and all the specialty dining rooms. And there will be, in MDR as well, sorry. And there's no corkage fee on that. So if you like wine, it's really a great discount if you're looking to drink a decent amount of wine during a cruise. Question 2. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring pre-popped popcorn. I had to practice that. In a clear bag on board, like from a movie theater. John said, yes, indeed you can. Couple things on this. It's popcorn. It's big. It's absolutely huge. And by the time you get to consume it, I think it would probably go stale. So, I mean, if you want popcorn, when they have the dive-in movies, I think it's like $4, and you get a nice little size, little bucket, if you will, box of popcorn. So then you at least get fresh popcorn. So if you like popcorn and you want to bring it on board, yes, you can, but you're going to need a lot of space for a popped bag of popcorn. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser asks, since most ships have 2 dining rooms, why not use one MDR for formal night for people that do love to dress to the nines, and use the other one for people like me that don't like dressing for the nines? John said it would be very difficult to operationalize and service this. He also thinks that the dining room for the dress-up people in Elegant Night would be far less crowded than the other one. But that said, I mean, I know it's formal night or whatever it's called. I think it is formal night. But it doesn't matter what people wear in there. Does it really affect the taste of your food? Me? Frankly, it doesn't. I mean, if I'm going to go and it's a formal night, I'm not going suit, I'm not going tux. I'll try to do like a button up or a polo. But yeah, I don't know. Food's food. Doesn't matter what you're wearing. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know if the staff in the childcare programs on the sea cruises, the adult-only ones, the sail exclusively adult or SEA cruises, are they lucky enough to get a week off during that cruise, or are they placed into other departments to do other things? John said some of them will be helping in other areas and some of them will be transferred to other ships to help out. So yeah, unfortunately, no kids on board, but they don't just like to sit back in Club O2 and chill for the week. They're paid staff, so they're going to be doing something else. And honestly, it might be a nice break for them to just do something different for a change. I would enjoy it. Last question. This cruiser is doing a back-to-back for a cruise in October, and they wanted to know if they needed to print their documents for the second leg of the cruise, or is this done for them? John said, no, you don't need to print anything out. We just recently did a back-to-back. It was a shorter one, a 3 and a 4 day, so we could print them out, and we did because we like to have the boarding passes, but you don't have to. So if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our back-to-back videos. So yeah, you don't have to print them out. Obviously, you need your first one. You don't have to have the second one. There you go. That's been episode 193 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.